Okay, we just arrived at Manatee Hammock Campground in Brevard County, Florida. Now, if you're somebody who worries about if you can fit or if you're going to have enough room coming into the campground, you will. You have 3 different lanes that you can park, so no matter how big your rig is, you're going to be able to fit. No worries there. The office right there on the right. You're going to find this campground to be very quiet. And very clean. Here are the bathrooms, which are also very clean. Washer and dryer. The rec hall right there. And behind that building, I believe there were horseshoe pits. As you can see, you definitely have enough room for all different types of rigs. And a decent amount of shade, so you're not getting pumped with the sun. Now right up here, you can definitely have a little picnic right along the water. And then over here is the pier. And as you can see right here, we have a nice trail that you can take a nice bike ride or nice hike, depending on what you're into. Now we're coming closer to that pier I was talking about. And I do recommend watching a sunrise off of that pier. You're going to see some amazing views from that area. Right here are some volleyball nets. Also, if you're somebody who has a furry friend, they do accommodate that as well. They give you a little pet park. Then we have a nice beach area. And over here is a pavilion, so if you have a large group, they accommodate that as well. Some grills and things of that nature over there. And you definitely don't need a camper. You can definitely tent it out. We had a lot of nice nature hikes around this area because everything has such an amazing view. I almost forgot, if you're coming to town for the Kennedy Space Center and you're looking for somewhere to stay, I definitely recommend staying at this campground. It was a hidden gem and I was pleasantly surprised. So check it out. We made it to the campsite. As you can see, we fit quite nicely. No problem there. There's your sewer pipe drain hose thingy. Your water, your electrical panel, 30 and 50 amps, and there's no battling any other rigs on the way out because they do supply you an exiting area. I know there are some campgrounds out there where that's not the case and you end up going head to head with somebody and you can't get around each other. So that's nice to have just a nice exit area. And I'm going to share my night view with all of you. Here it is. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you next time.